They were fixing a big ass beach catamaran. Had two 225 Mercury saltwater series on it. Now it's got some cracking in the stern here. That's not good. Over here also, same thing. It's cracked away. So we're gonna grind all this away till we get to good glass. Grind it all away. Here it is, all ground out. Got all the bad glass out. Now I'm going to fill in any holes or voids with filler, like this one, so we don't get an air bubble when we try to glass it. Just want to do that. Here it is with all the voids filled in with some filler and fumed silica. No more voids. Now we're going to get the glass cut and reinforced. Here it is with all the glass on it. Now we're going to grind off the fiberglass excess, like this, and this. Grind it all off till it looks good, and then we're going to gel coat it. So let's do that. Here it is, all ground out. Pretty smooth. We wiped it down with acetone. We're ready to gel coat. That's what it's looked like after it's been ground out. Now it's covered with gel coat. First coat brushed on. We're gonna do about 3 coats. Here it is with the polyvinyl alcohol. That's that green stuff you see. That's gonna seal it off and make it cure out to a full hard cure. That green stuff basically dries to like kind of like saran wrap, and it can either peel off or be washed off with water, soap and water, scrub brush, or you can just leave it there and let the rain take it off. But yeah, it doesn't go into the gel coat at all. It'll come out perfectly white. It's just to seal it off from air. Let the gel coat do its work now. I'm going home. Here's the beach cat all finished up. The rain washed away all that PVA coating. Got some brand new motors on here kind of in the way. It's just a little bit of grease. Something, but as you can see, the gel coat all looks good. Cured out quite nicely. I don't know what the hell's dripping out here, but Looking good. Brand new twin 250s. So that's how you fix some cracking.